I am right now more than 500 kilometers away from Nairobi at the Dadaab refugee camp. Temperatures here are about 39 degrees. What you see behind me is a shop which is run by two ladies. In this Dadaab camp, they are Kenyan hosts and they are refugees. It is an excellent example of unity. They are running this shop to gain a little bit of their living. Let's create more shops like that. Let's create more partnerships. They say that charity begins at home, and Ramadan is the best month to give charity. What more than Ramadan?